How to fix your booking.com cannot cancel reservations. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So some reservations are non-refundable or have restrictions. You want to simply go ahead and review the cancellation policy right below your confirmation number. In order to go ahead and cancel from the application, all you need to do is simply go to manage your bookings and select your booking and click on cancel booking. You can also try logging into the booking.com website and then go to bookings and select your reservation and then simply go ahead and cancel it. Always make sure that you have checked your cancellation deadline. If the free cancellation period has passed, you may not be able to cancel. You can also try contacting the property itself, or you could also try updating the application or contacting the support team at go.booking.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.